Here's how to use Mysterium VPN on PC free. So first is go to mysteriumww.com and you'll be able to see there the Mysterium VPN. Now for the holiday season, they have the holiday coupon which is holiday 80. Now the thing is, Mysterium is not a free VPN, but they offer you a 7-day money back guarantee. If you feel like after 7 days of using it, it is not worth it, then they will refund you the money that you've paid to them. So they have a 1 month plan which costs $9.99, 6 month plan which costs $5.49, and a 2-year plan which costs $1.99. As you can see, the more you days that have been availed is the more cheaper it is. So if you want a cheaper price for the Mysterium VPN, avail their year plans or their months plans because it has more discounts.